Hello, I am the school mediator. Together with my team, I am here for you whenever you have a greater disagreement at school. I have 3 tasks. To prevent students from dropping out of school early, to ensure that the inclusion of students with special needs is made possible, and to help make sure that students with a migrant background are well integrated in our school system. But before you come to me, you and your family must try to find a solution with your school first. If this doesn't work, then you can contact me. How to contact me? Easy. Simply go to our website and fill out the form. If you run into any issues doing so, or if you have a question, please don't hesitate and give me a call at 247-652-80. As soon as I've received your request, I will check whether it falls under my tasks. Then I will contact you for us to talk about your problem and to find a solution together. Everything you tell me stays between us, so you don't need to be afraid to ask for help. Any questions? Give us a call at 247-652-80. See you soon.